Hey, what's up guys? This is Nick with Wings Air Cool Specialties. We just got a batch of third foot in, and just wanted to make a quick video, show you guys what we got. This is the black anodize, and of course we also made the original OG silver ready to go. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to do an install and talk about the product a little bit. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, if you have something, is remove whatever you're using to get that heel toe action going. So this is kind of what I have going on here. It worked pretty good, but wasn't the prettiest or the best. So just got to take your duct tape off. And get her out of there. Next thing is it's a really easy install. You got one screw here. Hope you guys can see that. And these will come with the screws on. Just want to take that screw out. And you'll have your little back clip here. Take the third foot. I'm going to stick with the original silver. And wrap that back piece around the pedal. Fits in real nice there. Take your clip. Throw it on, put your grabber back, tighten her down nice and snug, and then you take your 3 screws here and just set your height. It's pretty cool. It's got this adjustability both up and down, and forward, back, and side to side. So then you want to just take her for the drive, make sure the height is where you want it to be, and you're off to the races.